Hi, beloveds. How are you? Let's talk about getting rid of passive language on your resume. So, the whole purpose of a resume is to get you job interviews. If your resume is not helping you to get invited to job interviews, it's not doing its job. Employers prioritize interviewing candidates they believe will be a best fit for whatever their open position is. In most cases, this means employers will invite you to interview with them only if you can showcase that you have the knowledge, skills, and abilities to do the job well and be a good cultural fit within their organization. So another point to keep in mind is that subconsciously, as human beings, we tend to also think that the more confident someone is in their abilities, the more confident we should be in their abilities too. On the flip side, if someone lacks confidence, we may think, oh, okay, if they don't think they can do it, why should we? So in short, confidence matters. Displaying weakness or otherwise watering down your duties and accomplishments on your resume will not serve you. So stop, watering down what you've done. Instead, demonstrate confidence. And one of the best ways to do this is to be cognizant of the words you use. And we know that words matter. That's the background of why, this tip matters and why you should do it. So here's the tip. Scan your resume for passive language and replace those words with powerful words. So when I say passive language, quote unquote, what am I even talking about? I'm talking about phrases such as duties include, responsible for, helped with, listened to. No. Replace those type of weak passive language with phrases such as delegated, directed, inspired, negotiated, guided, lead, advocated, sustained, grew, reached, established, created. For example, if you took notes, let's say, if you took notes at a meeting or took notes for whatever, instead of saying took notes, say documented. Instead of saying you wrote articles, say you authored. So go and take a look at your resume, replace those passive words with powerful words. And once you've done that, if you need help, just comment below or send me a private message. I'm happy to help you. So take action, beloveds. See you next time. Bye-bye.